Is it possible for Bitcoin to hit 1,000% in the first 1 month and 10,000% in the first 3 months? Bitcoin getting listed on Binance, on Coinbase, definitely that number can be achieved. I believe, yes, so many exchanges are ready, but for Bitcoin to hit a massive increase in price, for Bitcoin within the first 1 month, within the first 3 months, hitting over 1,000 and 10,000% price pump, they need Binance, they need Coinbase. Now, with these two coming for Pi Network, with these two list Pi Network, is there any possibility that when it is announced that this coin has been finally launched, with Binance, with Coinbase coming for Pi? The truth is yes. What are they for? What are Binance and Coinbase out there for? They are there for business. They are there to list coins. They are there to make profits, and they are there to support crypto industry. Pi have already proven to a lot of people that they are ready. They are not even in rush for this. For the past 4 years, they are preparing for this. So there are so many coins. You know, we talk about Pi coin. You cannot compare Pi to some coins that is being listed on Binance, to some coin that being listed on Coinbase. There are so many coins that you cannot compare them to Pi. Once Pi is launched, based on community, is that what you compare, or based on popularity, or is it going to be based on the cap? Some still we have small cap coins on Binance, small cap coin on Coinbase. Pi is coming with a force. Pi is coming with an engine, a strong engine that will push Pi to the top. That is why I know that I believe Binance and Coinbase will definitely come in for Pi. They are definitely going to list this coin. They are definitely going to support Pi Network coin. So for me, I believe that yes, 1,000%, 10,000%, first month and first 3 months is what? Achievable. They are all achievable with Pi Network coin. Let's hope for the best, and I believe that one day all the Pi holders will be smiling. All the Pi holders around the world, starting from the Asia to Africa to America to Europe, will have one thing in common: to build, to buy goods and services, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin will change the face of crypto industry. Bitcoin will bring crypto industry in another phase, in another era, because this coin, a lot of people are already comparing with Bitcoin. But let's wait and see if they can be compared to Bitcoin in the first 1 year and first 2 years. Let's wait and see. Please remember to share this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification in order not to miss our next videos. Once again, thank you for stopping by. While we are waiting for Pi, I believe that Pi coin will soon be launched. And I wish every Pi holders and I wish crypto industry all the best.